How to reset Miele DG 5080 steamer, please. I know there was a long combination of buttons, but I forgot what is what. Thank you.
Hello there and welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I will be assisting you today. I am an engineer with over 30 years of electrical and electronic training, repair and installation experience. I will try and answer your question accurately and precisely so that we can get you on your way. Now. To reset the oven, go into your menu and scroll down to Settings. Select that. Then scroll down through Settings until you see Factory Default and select All Settings. This will reset the oven. Try that, and if you get stuck I can give you it in more detail. I'll be here if you need further help with this issue. Please let me know. Regards, Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.